Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go and watch them. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about an important topic in Google Ads, which is called ad schedule. So let's get started. So let's see it practically, okay? So if you are a B2B or B2C business owners, and your main goal is to collect phone calls from your customers, okay? So, and you don't want to take those calls at midnight. For this reason, you want to schedule your ads, okay? So let's read what they say about it. To limit when your ads can run, set an ad schedule. Keep in mind that your ads will only run during these times. So you can schedule your ads in all days, like I'm selecting all days, and from 7 a.m. in the morning to from 7 a.m. in the morning to 6 p.m. in the evening, and I'm selecting it as all days, okay? 6 p.m. in the evening. So you can change it as Monday to Fridays if you are running your business for 5 days a week, and from Monday to Fridays 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Similarly, you can change it from Saturday to Sundays if you're running your ads on weekend. So you can do it. And if you want to select any specific dates like Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, so you can customize it as per your requirements. Okay. So basically what I do, if I have any B2B or B2B service business and their main goal is to track phone calls, then I basically schedule the ads. Other than I don't schedule the ads. So you can customize it as per your requirements. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on ad schedule in Google Ads. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel, you can like our page. Okay, you have a good day. Bye bye.